Today we're gonna make some Wacky Wednesday breakfast. Get ready. Going to make the rainbow bread that you saw me eating in my earlier video. So you get some milk, just a little bit. You don't need too much. I should probably watch what I'm doing. There you go, just a little bit. I'm gonna do 3 different colors. If you want to do more colors than that, you are welcome to. Just doing a little bit of milk there, okay? As you can see, I already have out my food coloring. So, I'm gonna add a drop of red. And this one will add, what color? Yellow. Look at that, I put red and red, yellow and yellow, and, well, I don't have a blue one, but we're gonna add blue to that one. All right, so, I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm going to stir them. So there's my red. Probably get a clean spoon so I don't mix up my colors. I'm gonna mix up my yellow. Boom. And then one more, I'm gonna mix up my blue. All right, so now my milk has turned different colors. All right, so you can take a paintbrush. This one has been cleaned and I only use this one for when I'm painting food, which isn't super often, but well, believe it or not, I do that sometimes. Okay, so this works better with white bread. I only have wheat bread, so we'll have to make do. So you just get some of your milk and then look at, you can just put it on your bread. However you want, you can make a picture. You can just put a ton of colors all over the place. I think I'm just gonna go with like a tie-dye kind of look today where I just put tons of colors all over it. Okay, there's some red, and get some blue. There we go. Ooh, you can see where the food coloring did not mix. That was really bright. So like I said, you can still see it on wheat bread. Looks even better on white bread, but it's all good. Okay, there we go. Get some blue. Oh, we'll get some yellow on there. Boom. All right, well, I'm gonna finish this up a little bit, but you can decorate yours however you want. Use different colors, work on mixing colors. Let's see if I put some yellow on the blue. Does it make green? Oh, it does look like it's more green. What if I add some red to the blue? Do I get purple? What if I add yellow to the red? Do I get orange? So you can experiment and just have fun with it. All right, you might want to pop your bread in the toaster. Get it toasted. If you watched my Wacky Wednesday introduction video, you're probably wondering, how did you get your eggs to look like that, Miss Fary? And were those really eggs? I can tell you, yes, they really were eggs, and I'm going to show you. So you just make scrambled eggs like you normally do, except you add some green food coloring. Now, cracking eggs is fun, but you gotta make sure you do it carefully. Just tap it on the side and crack. And make sure you wash your hands first, too. Now, a really cool trick my mom taught me is if any shell breaks off into your eggs, you just scoop the shell in there to get the little broken bit of shell out of there. So that's a fun fact for you, okay? And then we'll do another egg. We'll just do 2 today. So I can crack another one. Boom. There are my eggs. Whoop. The white there was stuck. All right, throw those out. All right, so then you want to add a little bit of milk so that your eggs get nice and fluffy. There we go. Add a splash of milk. Probably can't see that, I realize, but that's okay. And you know what this is? This is a whisk. You're gonna take your whisk and you're gonna whisk it. Okay, I'm going to set that down while I do it so I don't spill. Okay, and then you want to add your green food coloring. I did 2 drops. Okay, and then you want to mix it up. And it turns green. All right, and then you'll want to go cook it on your frying pan. I melted some butter in there, and now I'm gonna pour my egg mixture in there. Oh, check that out. It's getting green and gross looking. Yummy, yummy. The eggs are done. All right, I'm doing this one-handed. Whoop, here we go. All right, gonna add them to my plate. Probably should put the camera down while I do this. Hang on. There I have my wacky breakfast. Now, if you're wondering how I had my wacky milk, I'm gonna show you. Just take some regular milk and wait for it, opening it, wait for it. You add food coloring. And there you have it. Thanks for making wacky breakfast with me. And if you're wondering what to do if you have extra milk, well, cheers.